Yeah, I got a quick question about this spindle. I originally tried to use this, and I used reflective tape on the outside and mounted it up, but this wouldn't. It didn't seem to work at all. Several different kinds of reflective tape, nothing. So I threw these on there, and they seem to work, except when I get over a certain RPM. 4 something, I think it is. Let's just turn it on here. And then here's my you can see the numbers going up. Right now it's going to drop. See there? You slow it down at about 475, 76, 77, somewhere in there. It gets cut, maybe in half. And then as I increase the speed, $460, $470 something, it drops again. And I got it in low gear, which should be 1100 RPMs. I know that's probably not accurate, but it seems to be accurate until I hit a certain point. I'm not sure what that is.